Like to call on stage Honorable IPS Officer Mr. Hari Prasad KK sir on the stage. Please give him a big hand.
Ladies and gentlemen, basically when we as a team, police team, thought of carrying out a public awareness program on the new criminal major laws, to be honest, I was not expecting these kind of a participation. So on the bottom of my heart, I will start this program officially by thanking the organizers, Broadway Education Hub and Chanakya IAS Academy, and all of the students of SP College. Mostly it's SP College. Students of SP College and the students of Chanakya IAS Academy for this wonderful participation. But directly we will dive into the topic. I have been also told many of you are UPSC aspirants also, and of course you will be having some doubt regarding your preparations in UPSC, which I will be addressing after this has been done. You already know, Ministry of Home Affairs has already released a notification to penalize those Indians who are not obeying according to the whims and fancies of the British. So that was the fundamental crux of justice. So makes it clear that the purpose of the philosophy or ideology is like changing the penal to the justice. So of course this philosophical change back to justice. One is retributive justice, where the system deals with how court handles evidences, or how court peruses evidences, and how court gives judgment on that. So as public, or as mostly for as police force also, Evidence Act is not of that much importance. It's mostly concerned with court matters. So are we chosen a wrong time for this, because it's already Rosa is going on. We are aware of that. I am also carrying on Rosa these days. And being taken care of. So I know you must be tired. It's the early days of Rosa, second half of the day, must be tired. I was also in your position. So learning law in the second half of the day must be really tough. Must be feeling sleepy. Don't worry about it. Okay, I will not take much of your time.
As you already know, our age-old criminal laws of the country, all the three major criminal laws, Indian Penal Code, Criminal Procedure Code, and Indian Evidence Act. These three acts are being replaced by three new sets of laws. One is Bharatiya Nyaya Samhita, second is Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Samhita, and third is Bharatiya Sakshya Adhikar. So the recent Home Ministry notification, as per the recent notification, all these three laws will be in force from July 1st of 2024. So it's essential that the public, basically the common man of the country, should be aware of these laws. So basically Srinagar police is carrying out a public awareness exercise at all the 10 subdivision levels of the Srinagar district. So I, as ASP Kotibag, is representing Srinagar police, and I thank you. I'm thanking from all the depth of my heart Chanakya IAS Academy for providing us a platform for this public. Definitely, this program is being conducted by every 10 subdivisions of Srinagar police, and in Kotibag we have chosen this Chanakya IAS Academy as our venue. So all other subdivisions are also parallelly conducting this program in different venues of Srinagar. Thana Divas is a program we conduct as a routine. Thana Divas is a program which is being conducted routinely. Like every SDPO is attending a Thana Divas twice every month. SPs, all SPs are also attending Thana Divas twice a month. So the public awareness of these new criminal major laws, that's being done through this Thana Divas also. That is also a tool, but this is a dedicated program for awareness of these new criminal laws. Definitely, especially the Bharatiya Nyaya Samhita, which is the replacement of Indian Penal Code, prime importance have been given to crimes against women and crimes against children. As if you have gone through the bare act of the new law, you can observe that the crime against women and crime against children is being placed as a first chapter. Not little bit, a detailed brief will be given through this session only. So it will be useful for you also and those who are going to attend.